What is up, everyone? Good afternoon. Mark Griffin with the Adventure Family, and today we are in Loco by Nature. Take a look behind me. Look at that. Beautiful rice fields. We're so excited. We've come here like 4 times. It's been raining, and finally the weather is perfect. Look behind me. The sky's bright. It's blue. I'm so excited. Guys, what do you think? Excited to come here?
Yeah.
Yeah? What are you going to do? You're going to do some skating, right? Yeah? You're going to do some skating, are you?
Yes.
Cool. Super pumped. We're also here with Sukma. He's one of the best skaters in Bali, and we're lucky enough that he is the coach for the kids, and he just got here. You can say hi?
Hi.
Sukma.
Let's get together on the ball, Loco.
We're here. Boom. Okay, so let's do this, guys. Alright, what is up, people? So check this out behind me. Loco looks amazing. I mean, it's super nice. So there's a restaurant, there's a bar, there's this amazing bowl behind me. Check this out. Yeah, you can see Arya's going for a little shred there. But seriously, how cool is this place? This is one of the reasons that I love Bali. You don't find things like this anywhere else. So guys, I'm super pumped. The kids are gonna have their lesson with Sukma, their first lesson in a bowl for a long time since this pandemic started. And yeah, check this out. It's gonna be a great lesson. Go, get it. What is up, guys? So we're here at Loco. It's going really well. The lesson is going awesome with Sukma. The kids are killing it. Ryder, how's it going, buddy?
Good.
Good. This guy's just learning some 5-0s in the bowl. He's doing really, really well. So this is one of the things I love about Bali. We were just here and I saw this guy and he was just doing some really cool breaking. So thought I would just show you guys. It's really good. Yeah. Yeah, brother, that was sick, man. I love it. I love it. So good. Arya, what'd you think? You like that? Yeah? Come on, you gonna dance? Yeah, so that was sick. So guys, once again, that was Tommy, and I'm gonna leave a link. I'm gonna get his details. He probably has an Instagram or a YouTube, so I'm gonna leave that in the links below. So check him out. That was really sick.
is here. I don't know why. It's cool.
Arya, what are you gonna do? What you gonna do? Rock fakie? Yes, give me a high five. Arya. Hey. Oh! Alright, Ryder, what's going on right now? What are you playing with Coach?
Playing skate.
Game of skate? Whose turn is it?
Me.
What trick are you gonna do?
That front side air out.
Okay, hit it. What is up, guys? So the kids have done, they had an amazing lesson with Sukuma. It was awesome. The weather is perfect. The bowl was pumping and they were learning lots and lots of new tricks. Tell me, what tricks did you learn today?
Back side air out and front side air out and shove it.
Did you play a game of skate?
Yes.
Who won?
Me.
Whoa. Arya, how's your lesson, darling? What did you learn? Frontside carving? Yes? Hello? Hello? Okay, so these guys had an epic time, and of course Sukma did a great job teaching them every time they learned something new, so we are super thankful that he's their coach. And yeah, great lesson, great time. Sukma, what'd you think, buddy?
I think today is enough. Ryder already get the trick, so good trick, and Ali already get the front side trick. But enough today. Thank you very much.
Nice.
I also learned front side walking closer.
Did you have a good lesson?
Yes.
Let's Sukma high five.
Bam!
Arya,
You have to
Arya.
make it also, right?
Yeah. Again. Alright. Awesome. So guys, that concludes today. I hope you had fun watching, and if you have any comments, please let me know. Loco by Nature is the bowl that we're at, and it is amazing. Really nice bar. Come here for a drink, come here to hang out, come here to watch some amazing skating. Come for the view. Check this out behind me. Like, seriously, where can you get something like that? Come for the bowl. So, once again, thank you to Loco by Nature for building such an amazing pool, bar, skate facility. We have such an amazing time every time we're here. Until next time, peace out. This is the Adventure Family. See you guys next time. Boom.